Oh, we're taking this Mercy. Still on the Forgiatos though.
Downshifting in the tunnel and my ears exploded. I cannot go back to LA. Jürgen, let me call you right back.
So everyone's gonna hate me for saying this, but I feel like the kit's gonna look better than a GT3 RS.
Oh.
It looks so good.
Oh my God. The F8, all done. This is probably one of the sickest color combos. Brown on green with the bronze polished wheels. Dude, that is so fire. It's like a really nice matte olive green. Oh man, with the brown. Bro, this thing is so fucking hard. Oh man.
It did look good in pictures, like an iPhone camera.
Dude.
But then in person, it looks way better.
Man, I want to see it in the sun. It looks a little paler than I thought it would be, like it's for the green, but I think with the with like the bronze and the brown. Yeah, it's from the right angle. Dude, that looks so good. Sal, what are you doing to the F8 right now?
Puncture a hole into it.
Making holes in it?
Yeah.
Why?
Because people wrapped over the hole, so puncture it up.
You got to put the side skirt on through there?
Huh?
You got to put the side skirt on through that hole?
Hey, it's in.
Oh, it's in.
Shut the fuck up.
All right, SEMA Crunch is in full effect. We are all hands on deck at this point. We got Ryan and Ricky working on the McLaren. We got Angel in the back working on the Duke Dynamics Aventador. We're gonna go check it out, see what it's looking like. We have been making a ton of progress. Here is the Duke Dynamic wide body Aventador. Angel, what do you think of this car? As you're blocking and sanding for probably hours. Oh, dude, I think this thing looks awesome. Wow. It's so wide. Look at how wide.
I think it's gonna be perfect when it's done.
What?
I think it's gonna be perfect when it's done.
Yeah. Do we know what color this thing's gonna be yet?
The factory.
Oh, it's gonna be the satin gray.
Yeah.
So blocking and sanding, once all these panels go on, we have to make sure that they're absolutely perfect. We got some work going on front end and mounting these rear ducts. All carbon fiber. I love the carbon fiber cover right here. Oh yeah. $30 miles on this car and we completely disassemble it.
32 because I had to take it to a photo shoot.
Dude, this thing is gonna be so sick. I love seeing like brand new cars being completely disassembled.
I know. I don't.
You don't?
No, dude, it was such a beautiful car, but I know where they turn it into something even better.
Oh,
so.
way better. Honestly, and I might be one of the only few that think the looks of Porsches are a little outdated and overrated.
You're gonna piss off a lot of enthusiasts.
I mean, like a GT3 or something.
Okay, yeah.
Like, I mean, the 911 is like an upper echelon of the Porsche lineup. I mean, this is like a $250,000 car.
Easily.
I don't think from the outside that it looks like a $250,000 car.
No, it looks like a 95 to 100.
Yeah.
If I were to be honest.
That's what I'm saying.
I mean, it's a brand new like 992. It's a 2021. Now you can barely tell the difference from a 991.2. You know,
it's hard, but I think that's probably why a lot of the Porsche enthusiasts like it, because they can kind of be like low key.
And the bug eye.
Yeah, yeah.
The bug eye.
But still, for me, I don't know. If I had 250 grand, I don't think that's what I'm buying.
If you had the kit, that's a tough choice for me. But if it was
once
stock,
we see the kit, I think my mind might change.
I feel like the kit, and everyone's gonna hate me for saying this, but I feel like the kit's gonna look better than a GT3 RS.
Oh,
it looks so good.
Oh,
it looks so
man.
good.
That's a pretty tall order, but we'll catch you guys when we are a little further along on this. When we have the fenders on and the rear bumpers. Stay tuned for this one. This one's gonna be awesome. Ryan, what car is this originally? The 720? Yeah, so 720S. This is getting a ton of different Frankenstein parts, would you say?
Not a Frankenstein. It's a...
Sai called it a Frankenstein, okay? I'll just be clear.
We're remixing a couple of different parts from different brands together. As you guys know, they're called Frankenstein.
Yeah.
You know, but you know, if
We
you
make
do
it look good.
Yeah, if
We
you
make
do
it
it,
look good.
if you do it the right way.
There's a lot of stuff going in on it from a few different brands, but I mean, the kit as a whole is pretty much. Hey Ricky, this is mostly Darwin, right?
Yeah.
All of it's Darwin.
The rear wing is Darwin though. The chassis mount wing is from a different distributor.
Yeah, so it's a couple different, but man, is that just a Senna front bumper, or is it an actual replica with carbon?
I think it's a replica.
Dude, this thing looks so mean.
Yeah, Darwin just put that look into the front end of this car.
Yeah, and the whole bumper is carbon, right? So we have
carbon.
black with the carbon, but the whole bumper is carbon, so it's just painted.
Yeah, they just put this coat in the mold, so it comes
So
out.
sick. We got the carbon fenders. All right, so these, carbon fenders too. Wow. And the insane, what would this car be without a huge chassis mounted wing? Dang. This thing is so crazy. Poor Grillian. Ryan said he was gonna have the Grillian done.
He's doing me dirty. He's doing me dirty.
That's rough.
Yeah, you said you were gonna have the said you were gonna have the Grillian done, dude.
Yo, I mean, the doors don't even close.
6 months later, bro. That first video you saw, that was fucking 3 months ago.
When it's actually done, I'm gonna do like a little SpongeBob thing. It's like one eternity later, and then it's gonna show the Grillian.
They call me FLACKO and don't play no about my place. Baked potato on that Draco new
All right, guys, it's about 6 in the morning. Anytime we're up this early, cars and coffee. We're about to head out. We're gonna take the 812 super fast. We're taking the Mercedes, taking the G-Wagon, taking the Mercy, and also the F8 that we just finished up. Paulner, which one do you think I'm gonna get? Oh, Sai's coming. Oh, we're taking this Mercy. Oh, I thought we were taking the yellow one.
No, the yellow one's
Okay.
out of commission.
So taking
right
the
now.
green.
Yeah.
Still on the Forgiatos though.
I'm gonna be open to that.
Oh, dude, I love
Dude's
the color
living in
combo on this
2005.
though. This is very 05, but the color combo is still,
Dude, it's a beautiful.
pretty hot.
It's dude, it's hot. It's just like that.
yeah.
Eh.
You gotta like green if you're driving this car for sure. All right, we're about to head out. Ooh, look at the AMG GTR. C63. We got the G-Wagon. Ryan is running frantically, holding the entire thing together. Dude, Ryan is the glue that holds this place together. Sal is just an absolute idiot. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He almost killed Josh on the way to the last one.
It's almost killed me.
Oh, it's gonna be a fun one.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Okay, now go straight back.
Sal in the G-Wagon. Hey, what a ride.
Yeah,
That was a good
I didn't
idea.
think that you'd actually be able to keep up with the V12.
What's up, buddy?
What do you
We
What's
finally
going on?
made it.
Yeah, but you guys are late,
here-
so we
I was-
spot,
I was
lost
at the
a bunch of
shop
our spots. I
5:45.
know you were, yeah.
I was there
5:45.
early too.
Yeah, I
Talk to
know,
your
poor guys, man. They had to clean
Your guys.
sticker. I mean, they're working hard, bro. What up? Yeah.
Polarizer.
Ryan?
Polarized sunglasses.
Dude, the fucking Mercedes did
Yeah, the Mercedes
surprisingly
is sick.
good.
The Mercedes is sick.
The
bro.
Mercedes.
I told you, did I not tell you? I said,
You
man,
did
that thing
tell
will
me to go
surprise
see
you, bro.
16.
They surprise you every time, bro. They're sick.
But look what you're working with.
Yeah, sure.
By the way, this is one of the loudest Ferraris I've heard in
Oh,
a long
dude, my
time.
ears are still.
It's the same as the gray ones.
Yeah,
same
exact
setup.
same. Exact
it?
same.
Why does it sound
Same
louder?
Kit, same
Oh.
exhaust.
Oh.
He downshifted in the tunnel and my ears exploded.
But we got some of that video?
Huh?
Okay, good.
Wow, so F8 Tributo all finished up. This car is absolutely insane. The K-Viding kit is just out of this world. They finished this car in literally under 2 weeks. This car was a completely stock, brand new F8 2 weeks ago, and today, wow. We finished it in a satin khaki green. We've got the brown and white accents to go with, the peanut butter interior, the brown wheels. I mean, this spec is just probably one of my favorite builds that we've done here. I mean, the car looks so mean. The colors flow so well. The custom bespoke interior, I mean, bro, I don't think it gets harder than that. We got all the calipers painted white to match. The overall, dude, this car is just too drippy. Look at that. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the episode for today. I hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna go ahead, show you guys the feature on the F8, and stick around because we got a lot of SEMA stuff coming up on the next one. Peace out.